So if you're like me, there's just that time of the year where you want to treat yourself to something. So if you've been surfing the web like I have been lately, looking for a bag for any of those types of occasions, birthdays, a gift for yourself, an anniversary gift, or more importantly, something for yourself or loved ones for the holidays, well, I recently picked up a Coach Tabby bag after also surfing the internet, and I have one, and I'm gonna unbox it and show you all what it looks like in case you're interested in picking this one up for yourself or loved one for the holidays. Let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Okay, so going ahead to open the box. All right, so you see the Coach logo there and the lovely packaging over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up like so. Okay, so I'm gonna untie that. And I love a bag that comes with a duster bag, so I am very happy camper right now. Let's go ahead and take it out of the box, get rid of this thing, and then we're gonna get into the nitty gritty. Okay, so one of the first things that I wanted to show you was the duster bag, a really simple, easy duster bag. But the thing about a duster bag is that you need one, especially when you're traveling. It is so nice to have your duster bag so you don't have to think about it. It's a good protectant for your actual bag. So any bag that you have, try to make sure that you have a duster bag for it, especially when traveling and also when storing. If you're not displaying it, it's so important to keep it in your duster bag. Okay, so I have folded the duster bag and just kind of laid it here on the side. Usually because sometimes I store duster bags, if I want to display the bag for a little bit, I like to fold it in the manner that I want to store the duster bag and then let it start to form that shape. Right, so it has beautiful details, lots of protective packaging. I'm just gonna open this. I just love this silver and gold detail. So I'll open that up right there. That is absolutely gorgeous. I just love these tiny details. There is a gold logo there on the bag that also indicates Coach, and that's why these designer elements of a bag, when you're paying the money, all of those details go into the craftsmanship of the bags. Let me pull out a lot more of the packaging. And that one. Okay, so this is what the inside of the bag looks like. You have your detail there with obviously the logo. A nice spot to put any cards, gum or mint. Of course, you have your card there. So it looks like you get two compartments. It's a really sort of puffy bag on the front part of it. So it kind of gives the illusion that there's actually 3 compartments, but it's actually 2. That is the back of the bag, the bottom of the bag, again the front, and the side of the bag. It also comes with some straps, so I'm gonna go ahead and get the straps sort of sorted, and then we'll take a closer look at that. Okay, so here's the handle for the bag. I'm gonna see if I can just basically slide it all out, and I do hope that it's one that gives me the ability to adjust it quite significantly, but I won't know until I completely see it. All right, so to my surprise, they give you 2 bag straps. Genius, right? Like, so this one is more of a smaller strap, so it would go like so on the bag. It's really small and compact. I just love it. I'm so happy that they did that, because that is one of the biggest concerns about adjustable bag straps is it going to be short enough for me to use it almost like a little purse, versus it being so long that you only can hang it or use it as a crossbody. But you get this and it goes like so on your bag, and then gives you ability to carry it just like so for a evening outing event where you don't want it to function kind of like as an everyday bag. So I absolutely love that. And then you also get this strap that is super long. Oh my gosh. So you get about 3 more slots that you can use for adjustments. And I really like that a lot. Those 3 slots will make the straps a lot shorter. So you would put the straps like so. So the other thing that I really like is the effort that the designers and craftsmen or women that put together the bag, all of the details that they put in, all the thought that Coach puts in to the bag. So by having this here with basically the logo on it, as I mentioned before, there is a logo right here, or the logo, the name. So nice. There is no hassle to take that off and put it back. It's very effortless. Here again is just sort of the side of the bag on each side, the front, of course, the back and the bottom. I'm gonna add this shorter strap so that we can see what we get. Okay, so here's the shorter straps on the bag. I love the way it looks, and I love how I can hold it just like this or like that. Okay, and this is it from just all of the angles. Just really simple, easy, and exactly what I was hoping for. All right, so as you can see, that is pretty long. You can adjust it 3 more slots up, meaning that you can shorten the length of the back strap. So again, I really like that. With the longer straps, the bag is sort of taken to a more everyday type of bag because you can use it for a crossbody. You can shorten the length of the straps and make it more of a shoulder bag. With the shorter straps, it's taking more to a night sort of outie party type of bag. I'm going to go ahead and add the shorter straps on because I love that duality, that I can use it like this and still keep on the long straps if I just want that type of bag. And if you're traveling, you may just want to have both on, and that way you just remove one as needed based on what function you're going to. If you're traveling and you want to just take one bag and use it as a crossbody, and then another time use it as a sort of evening bag. That is the shorter strap here, the longer one on. With both straps on, that's sort of what you get. And I have to say, I like it, but I think I'm going to be wearing mine more this way. And if I need to wear it as a crossbody, I would just use the longer straps. I don't know that I'm personally gonna keep the 2. I like the duality, but I don't like the clunky feel or look of sort of the dual back straps. Okay, so that is it for this quick unboxing and show and tell of the Coach Pillow Tabby Bag 18 in the color metallic. I'm really excited about this bag because I wanted something that will work in the winter and also be able to transition in the summer, and I think this fits the bill. It's nice and small and compact, so definitely a win-win. Now, if you're interested in picking up this bag for yourself or for a loved one, for whatever the occasion is, I've linked down in the description box where you can pick this one up so you don't have to do a bunch of searching. Now, I don't know if this particular color is still available, but of course there are a bunch of other colors for this particular style. So make sure you check that out. Link is in the description box below. Now, of course, if you have any questions for me, make sure you drop those down in the comment box below for me. And as I said, this makes a great gift for the upcoming holiday season because we are 2 months away from Christmas anyway. And with Christmas coming up, some of the videos that I'm going to be sharing with you all will have items that I'm pretty sure can give you some gift giving ideas for the upcoming holiday season. So you don't want to miss that. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit your notification bell, swipe it all the way to the right so you don't miss any videos when I post them, especially when I'm going to be posting videos that will have some really great items that you can gift to your friends and loved ones for the upcoming Christmas holidays. So I'm basically doing, honestly, a lot of the work for you, right? Giving you some great gift giving ideas. So make sure you're subscribed, hit your notification bell, hit it all the way to the right so you don't miss anything. Now make sure you check out the next couple of videos recommended for you to check out on my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Take care of yourselves. Bye.